I'm here at the Sky Gardens in London. I'm on the way to the Fujifilm House of Photography for a VIP event that I've been invited to. It should be very cool, but quite obviously you'll already know the results of it. But if rumors are to be believed, I'm going to be seeing the X100V 5 released, which makes me feel like I should have my old X100S with me for nostalgia and to compare them. But anyway, I'm also here shooting some pretty cool cityscapes, although it's getting grayer and grayer, and you'll see those in the TT Artisan 11mm Leica video, so look out for that too. Hopefully I'll be able to show you the House of Photography itself and some random shots, and I don't know, should we talk about those rumors now that you already know what happens? Maybe I'll leave it until we get back and then we can actually talk about what really happened. When I got this invite a couple of weeks ago, I was thinking, could it be so that the rumors about the T4 are true? Well, we know that that's since changed, whether it's true or not, and it, to all intents and purposes, looks like it could be, even though Fujifilm's reps are very good at steering you the other way. Now, I really wanted to get my hands on that, and you'll know the result now because you've probably live streamed this. The question is, did you get what you want, and how reliable were the rumors in the end? I mean, a lot of it really wasn't a big surprise. When that spec came out, that spec, you know, most of it was pretty straightforward, what you would probably have expected. It's still an X100 camera, of course. The EVF looks to have been improved, processor improved, the lens an extra piece of glass. We're going to see how that's made the difference. And of course, the big one, not the weather resistance thing, but the tilt screen. Now you know if all that came true or not. How do you feel about it? There's a lot that have been asking for weather resistance and forgetting that that adds a lot more to the camera, to the bulk, etc., and the price. But a rumor that came out today suggested there'll be a add-on that you screw on to the lens itself, and that'll give you weather sealing. I wish I could look into the future into about 4 hours, and this would make a whole lot more sense. But the question is still, were the rumors correct, and are you happy with the rumors, or just are you happy with the product itself? Because frankly, rumors can be a bit ridiculous and a bit of a going down the rabbit hole. Anyway, let's crack on. I've got to get over to Covent Garden now and check out the House of Photography.
Welcome to X Summit 2020.
80mm f1.7 together with GFX 100. So this is a 30mm f3.5 together with GFX 50. XF 50mm f1.0. So this lens will be coming this year. In the next 12 months, we plan to introduce 3 more lenses. Today, Fujifilm announced new X100. So we call it X100V. Brand new lens, new sensor, new hybrid viewfinder, upgraded dial control, new tilt screen, weather resistance, more film simulation. And so the design, so it is covered by very beautiful aluminum top cover.
I love it. First of all, it's V like Valerie, so what is not to like?
Just like it just feels business as usual with a little bit of... Let's see how we feel about that.
Solid now.
Let's see this. This is really small though, isn't it? Does it go the other way?
No.
That is nice though. USB-C. That is so nice. There we go. clearly I got carried away, had too much fun playing with the X100V. I'm very excited to take it out into the streets when I get the chance, because clearly in store, not the best place to test it, and it was a pre-production model, but it was all good. I'm going to get back, rest. I feel like that person there right now, so I'm going to get back, and hopefully tomorrow we can reconvene and have a calmer conversation about this. What a random video this is. But anyway, you're probably bored of seeing all those professional videos that are already out, right? Surely. You know what? I had so much fun last night wandering around the event with a pre-production X100V. Well, put it this way, I left too late. I missed my train. I had to pay an extra £36 because British trains. Anyway, I didn't get home until some crazy hours, and here I am editing this very video for you fine people, and I appreciate it's been a bit of a mishmash video. So, did the rumours come true for you? Well, to be fair, it seems they were spot on, which leaves me still thinking that some of these companies, I don't know if Fujifilm are one of them, but some of these companies, I'm sure they leak information to stir up the whirlwind that is internet marketing and create a buzz. It makes sense. Anyway, for me, the event was good fun. The summit that you saw was short and succinct, but the event as a whole was good fun, catching up with good folk that I've met over the years and meeting familiar faces, many that you guys already know. Big shout out to Kai, Valerie, Joe, Wayne, Barney, Gordon, Amy, all the nice Fujifilm family who are all super friendly. You see, guys and girls, Fujifilm really do listen to you sensible people, so keep commenting on these videos. I'm excited to see what the new lenses will actually be. Now, I think the 50mm will be too big for my taste, but it does look like a fun lens. Oh yeah, so who saw me on the live stream? The cheesy grin was for you and for me to find. Anyway, GFX users have some exciting developments ahead too, but it was really all about that X100V, and honestly I couldn't put it down. I was desperate to take it out in the streets of London, but that was a no-go last night. I'm happy with that screen. But if you don't want it, honestly, having had my hands on it for an hour, you can live with it closed without noticing it's there. The camera itself, I wish I had it in my hands now, it feels snappier. It's definitely sharper, even in the limited tests and the environment that I was able to shoot it in. The addition of focus limiting should go some way to please snap focus street shooters, and the option to go weather sealed is nice. Frankly, I don't need it most of the time, but to have that as an option is very useful. Like others, I probably would have liked a D-pad, but I guess I can get used to it being gone. There's a lot you can say. There's a lot you would have already seen in all the multitude of videos that's already come out. The -5 EV, for example, the new EVF, the faster processor, but we'll save it for another day when I've had some real time with the camera, not just an hour's hands-on, which frankly, a lot of those videos that you've seen were. Massive thanks to Fujifilm UK for the invite, and now really I want to hear from you. As we said before, did the rumours help you? Did you get what you want? Oh, and that T4, yes.
We have one more camera. The camera will be called XT4. We will know the detail of XT4 on the day of optional announcement. It will be February 26th.
Subscribe, and I'll see you in the comments section below.